Drewski got the face and body build of Thomas the Train.
Y'all know who Thomas the Train is? Pull up a picture of Thomas the Train.
I know who that is.
Thomas the Train. Look at that. Look at his face! Look at Thomas the Train!
I see it. I ain't gonna lie.
You can't
Chat.
let Thomas the Train face ass nigga.
Why, yo? Why only me though? Yo, guys, ease the up. Dairy Queen dip cone is crazy, yo.